you gave me was really nice too. It's been a week since I moved to the Netherlands and it's getting colder and colder. Thank God I brought my 전기장판. I was not prepared for the Netherlands winds and the cold weather. So I got sick and I also passed it to my boyfriend and he's very sick. So we both are drinking a lot of tea. Look at what my boyfriend cooked yesterday. Banana bread. Look at how good it looks.
To just make up for the thing that I also forgot about. Yeah. Look how many. Makes the banana bread for most of them.
Please don't attack them. They're so big, they're so scary. I like seeing them from the outside, like far away. But not near. Albert Heijn howl.
Bite wrapped in seaweed and rice, packed with beef, pickled radish, egg omelets.
Wow.
Normal keyboard, and this is a loop. This
She
is
had
a normal.
You came in the right moment. Hi. A hole in it?
Yep, stop. No.
Eagle.
Yeah, no, it's perfect.
Okay. Oh, yummy. Here you go. Did you see that there is something inside?
Did you?
Yeah.
It's so cute, thank you. It's so yummy.
I will see you in a few hours.
Yes, thank you.
so heavy. Wanna see the bowls I bought?
Yes.
The bowls.
Oh.
This is the soup bowl.
No, this is perfect. That
Perfect,
was a bit
right?
too big.
It's-
I can eat the rest.
Huh?
I think this is the maximum I can eat. Can I throw away?
The rest?
Yeah.
No, just leave it. We don't waste rice in this household. Ooh,
So it's 1 year, but
1 year. Oh my god, it smelled so much. So brown today. So beautiful. Just got home. I was ironing my boyfriend's shirts, but I wanted to do a little haul of the things I got today. First of all, I got this cute Uniqlo pants. I have the matching like sweater one. It was a tough day and it started raining, no, snowing. And it just turned so cold. I was going to wait for my boyfriend to finish his work and come back with him, but too cold, so I just came home. And my delivery arrived. It's my yoga mat. Woo. Whoa. Nice. It's very thick. Look. I also got lace natural. I'm intrigued with the paprika flavor because I've never had it, but I'm intrigued. Next time after I finish this, I'm gonna get those.
Every time you meet someone new, pay them a compliment. Hey, like,
Other things we can do this afternoon. You ever hear of Death Wish?
Oh, I love that wish. Manny, that's the charity with the sick.
Oi! So cute. This is a lot of, oh yay! Oh, local popular, something like that.
I always meet somebody I know there for some reason.
So today is Friday and it's not even 6 p.m. and so dark. I was watching Modern Family. It's so nice to not work. I have so many hours to kill and I can just do everything and I love it. I wanted to take a month to just adjust to this new city and to recover and just not work and rest. But I guess since I had really packed days, I don't like having it too empty. Like I don't have anything to do here. And the days are so long. I get bored. So I think I'm going to start learning Dutch quicker than what I planned to. And I also made an account for ClassPass. So I will start going out for Pilates classes or yoga classes. They sound fun. So I think I'll do that next week, I guess. And this weekend, I'm gonna go to the Rijks Museum because I got the museum pass. So there's lots of things to do, which is quite exciting. One pizza for each one. Ready to go out. last train, metro. Are you excited for our yoga class? Uh-huh. They're so huge.
Okay, so are you guys ready for the peak exploration? We're going to
doesn't show. So I'm gonna search what they need.
Look very strong.
Yeah, they look very healthy. Oh. Ooh.
Kiss me down.
Emma, kiss me
honest
down.
if you don't like it.
Okay. Ooh. I like it. We're gonna go to the Rijks Museum and I'm gonna try to bike to there. Wish me luck. So wet, but okay. I hate hiking. Right?
Oh, it's there. You see it?
Ooh, we found him. We got letters from the IND. Let's see. So pretty.
먼지 투성이 hands are trembling right now